Hello, my name is Jenny Tackett, and I'm a registered dietitian with Rock Valley Health. This is the Portion Control Health Challenge, Week 1. A portion is what you put on your plate, whereas a serving is a measured amount of food or drink. The objective of this 4-week challenge is to improve your nutrition choices and have you become aware of portion sizes, and then make adjustments if needed. An extra 100 calories every day from oversized portions on your plate results in 10 pounds of weight gain a year if you don't adjust your calories expended through exercise or movement. It's important to learn to estimate portions and to eat mindfully, and that's really the goal of this challenge. If you need to lose weight, weight loss can occur by adjusting portions, which can help improve blood pressure and labs such as glucose, triglycerides, and lipids. Did you know that there's a strong correlation between increasing body weight in America and increasing size of food portions that we are served? Portion sizes are so large that if you do eat out on a regular basis and eat everything that's served to you, you run the risk of gaining weight. Portion sizes did increase dramatically in the 1980s. The average person gained about 8 pounds during that decade, and we've seen an increased risk of obesity and being overweight since the 1980s. So what we're going to do is look at pictures of foods that have increased over the past 30 years. So you'll see a picture on the left-hand side of the screen of what these foods used to be and then what they are today. And I'd like you to think of how many calories you think are in today's serving portions or serving sizes. Excuse me. So think of those calories and just keep in mind that if you walk a mile, on average you burn about 100 calories. So we'll kind of equate these larger portions and the extra calories with that activity, just thinking in terms of how much movement or exercise you would have to do to burn these extra calories that are served to us. So 30 years ago, a bagel was around 3 inches in diameter and had 140 calories. So how many calories do you think is in the bagel on the right-hand side of the screen? It's double in size, or 6 inches, and it has 350 calories. That's an additional 210 calories. So that would be about 2 miles of exercise, walking or running. How about a cheeseburger versus a deluxe bacon cheeseburger? So the cheeseburger on the left is what used to be served at fast food restaurants. Now this is given mainly in children's meals and has about 313 calories. So how many calories do you think is in this deluxe burger on the right-hand side? 850 calories on average. That's without those French fries. That's a calorie difference of 537 calories, or 5 to 6 miles of walking or jogging. Pasta. So on the left-hand side, it's about a cup of pasta with sauce and 3 small meatballs. This is about 500 calories. So what do you think is served today? And you do see, when you look at the comparison, that it's a larger plate. They are serving us on larger plates or even platters at some restaurants. Of course, the larger plates hold much more food, and it also causes people to eat more. The more that's set in front of you, the more you tend to eat. So on the right-hand side, this is over double the calories, 1,025 calories. You have double the spaghetti, and then the meatballs are larger as well. That's a calorie difference of 525 calories. Again, 5 to 6 miles. Oftentimes when you eat that deluxe bacon cheeseburger or this huge plate of pasta, if you eat everything that's given to you, you also feel very stuffed or even sick. So just being aware of the fact that you're being served twice as much and over 500 more calories, that's a whole meal's worth of calories extra that you're being given. Being aware of that and trying to cut back, if you look at the plate on the right-hand side, take half of that home, share it with someone that you're eating the meal with, order a half portion. Any way that you can cut back on that can really help with weight control and with blood pressure and labs such as lipids and glucose as well. So for our activity this week, I want you to write these answers on your completion form for week 1. First off, it's an activity that you need to do where you pick 3 foods that you commonly eat, and I want you to guess the portion size. So guess what you eat. For example, if you like ice cream, estimate maybe you think you eat a cup of ice cream when you eat a bowl of ice cream. Or if you eat pasta at a meal, estimate that. Maybe you think you're eating 2 cups or 1 cup. Cereal is another good one. But pick 3 foods, write those foods down under A, B, and C, and then write what you think you're portioning out on your plate. Then I want you to actually take out measuring cups, measuring spoons, and measure those foods at home. So then you write down those same foods and how much did you really eat. So let's say in A you put ice cream 1 cup, and then on number 1, number 2A, you put ice cream and it's actually 1.5 cups. Or maybe it's less, maybe it's half a cup. So in 3, I want you to kind of think about it. Are you surprised by the size of your typical portions? Is it less or more than what you think? You can say yes or no, but if you want to put a little bit more information down, that would be wonderful. So this concludes week 1, and next week we'll continue to delve in further into portion sizes. Thank you.